Hi, I'm Naval Yamul here. So in this video, we are going to see on what are the Unicode values on Python. So if you take any string in Python, any string, so these strings have some unique code. So this A has some Unicode, this B has some Unicode. So if you want to know like what is the unique code for this A, so you need to like use a Unicode value, that is like you can say that, hey, can you please tell me what is the Unicode value for A? If I just say ORT of A and if I run this, it will show me that that A should be in a string, and you can see you got 97. So what does that 97 means? So this 97 means the value of this A is 97 always. The Unicode or the character of this A is 97. So if I say, hey, can you please tell me what is the order of B here? What is the code of B? So it is 98. So now in the previous example, we have taken A value is 97. It is taking 97 here. 97 is less than B, that is 98. Now you might be surprised like, hey, for A, I'm getting 97. So what are the values from 1 to 96? So there can be any symbols, and if you want to check after symbols, you will start with the capital letters. Like if I say order of the capital A, so what is this Unicode value for this capital A? So that comes around 65. You can see here 65. So if I want to know what is the value of 64, I'm doing vice versa. Now I'm doing in the reverse way. I want to know what is the value of 64. So for that I need to use a character here and say that, hey, can you please tell me what is the character of 65? So with the this Unicode value, what character is stored with this Unicode value? So if I enter this, you will getting a capital A. You can see here I'll get a capital A. So if I say character of maybe 60, I don't know what is there inside the 60. So in 60 it is less than. So you can go to Google and you can just search for Unicode values, Unicode values, Unicode and ASCII values. So if you go to images, yeah, you can see these are all Unicode values and ASCII values. You will find it. So just a second. Yeah, you can see this. You can refer this documentation if you want to know more detail about all ASCII values and the Unicode values. So this one. So if you are talking about, yeah, this is referring to the decimal and hexadecimal, but you will find it somewhere here depending upon the Unicode and ASCII value. So depending upon these like Unicode values, your strings will be evaluated and compared, and then you get an output. Suppose if I say now, uh, can you, if I take S1, let me copy this code, a previous one, let me copy this code and paste it here. So instead of A now, instead of B, I'll take capital A, and if I run this, so A value, we know that small a value is 97, and your capital A value is your 65. Now it will compare these two, that is 97 is less than 65, so you get false. 97 is greater than 65, you get true. But in real time you may look weird like how does the small a is greater and something like that, but it all depends on the Unicode values. So you can apply the relation operator for the strings also, you get an output. And even you can apply the relation operator for the booleans also. So let me tell you, like uh, if I say a is equal to true, okay, and if I say b equal to false, now these are your boolean values. And if I say, can you please print whether a is greater than b, can you guess the output, guys? You will get a output definitely, but what does true means? So true means that is always one. false means is always 0. So it will evaluate in this way. So 1 is greater than 0, the answer will be true here. 1 is less than 0, that will be false. So answer will be true, false again. So you may take a string, you may take an boolean, you may take an integer. Your output will be a boolean only in a relational operator. I hope you understood this session, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning.